What's up, guys? I am back with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this really beautiful, vibrant orange prom dress with beaded lace. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I made this dress, please stay tuned. Alrighty, now this dress is made completely of scraps that I had from like other projects. This is one of the samples that I had. So basically, I'm taking these two pieces and I'm going to fold them over and use my pencil skirt pattern. Now, I know this may look a little confusing because, as I said, I was using scrap, so it's kind of like placed oddly on the fabric. But basically, you want to do this twice, and you will cut out four pieces. So, you're gonna have two pieces, one for the front, one for the back, and then a lining for the front and a lining for the back. I purchased this fabric from Joann's, but it's a bit see-through. So I had to just go ahead and line it. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just going ahead and cutting out that lining in that same fabric. Alrighty, now here we're just going to use this little edge piece and we're going to cut out a bunch of strips. Now these strips we will use to actually put on the side of our bra area as like bias tape. So we're basically making our own little bias tape. So you just cut it out, I'd say about an inch, inch and a half. Alrighty, so now we're just gonna go ahead and grab our orange beaded lace. It's like, as I said, be a lace from a previous project. And we are just going in and cutting out our pieces so that we can get those ready to get our wood burner to cut them out very detailed. Now I used probably about 7 pieces. Alrighty, so basically here, this is probably the ghettoest pattern I've ever made in my life. I really can't explain much of how I did it. So basically, I just made a triangle and I kind of evened it out. And then from there, I took it and I just kind of curved it towards the neck part. So literally, I don't know what I did. I basically freeform cut it out. But I took a triangle and then I took the top of the triangle and also the right side that goes into the inner boob and then I just curved it out. So after that, I went and pinned that paper of my pattern to my mannequin. And after that, we're going to go ahead and then add a dart in the center of it. Now, this wasn't my first time doing this. This is just like one of those, I don't have that much time, I'm trying to hurry up and get this over with type numbers. And it worked. So, yeah. Just basically try to get it as close as you guys can to what I did. Some of that is just based off, like I said, I know how to make a normal halter, and then the rest of it is just like me, like YOLOing it and then hoping that it works. Alrighty, so basically here we're just cutting out the neckband. So I basically just measured around the neck how long I wanted it to be. Added an inch to each side for a seam allowance for us to be able to fold it over, hem it, and then also add the hooks. So yeah, that's basically what that little pattern is, and we're just gonna go ahead and cut that out. Alrighty, so I just went ahead and took that pattern from earlier and just kind of put a few notes on it where the dart is, the center, the side, stuff like that. And so basically I'm just nipping at the top of that dart so we'll be able to make a little marking on our actual fabric. And so as you can see, our fabric is on the back, it's skin tone fabric, so it's really hard to see. But I am just kind of marking off the areas that we need to transfer from the pattern onto the fabric. Alrighty. So we're gonna go ahead and start our dress together. So as you can see, I'm trying to figure out which side is the right side and which side is the wrong side because they both kind of look similar. So once you actually figure that out, you want to go ahead and sew this dress together how you would sew any dress with a lining together. Now, I'm going to explain it the best way that I can, and then after that, I'm going to leave it up to you guys to figure it out because it's like the hardest thing to explain. So basically, we are going to take our lining, right? And you're going to face your lining out. So you don't want to put your lining right side to right side. Basically, on this photo, that first piece of fabric that I laid down, which was my lining, is facing shiny side to the ground. Now, as far as my actual fabric that will be shown on the outside, I want to face both of those right sides to right side. So on the 4 layers, you're going to have your lining, which is facing not right sides to right side. Your two pieces that are for your outside, and you want those to be facing right sides to right side, and then a piece that is on top that will be facing out. So those, the top and the bottom piece, are going to be aligning, and those are both going to be shiny side out. And then your two center pieces that are in the middle, they will be facing right sides to right sides, because that is the part you'll be able to see. Alrighty, and so now you can see I'm watching a little Malibu doll face. And I have a tutorial as I am cutting out the applique. So we're just going in with our wood burner and just kind of cleaning those up. Alrighty, so I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely stay tuned for part 2 to see me finish this gown.